Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a course, share it with your students, and track their progress using Wooflash. To create a course, click on the Create a Course button on the main page of Wooflash. Once your course is created, you can quickly and easily create new questions using the 8 different types of questions we have here on the right. You can also import questions from Moodle or from an Excel file using the Import Questions button. In this example, I will create a flashcard with on one side the word dog and on the other side its French translation chien. I will then create a second flashcard with the word cat and its French translation chat. Let us now share this course with our students using the share button on the top right of the page. A new window appears with 3 different options. I can either provide a code to my students in order to invite them to join using the Wooflash interface, provide them with a link to automatically invite them to join the course, or enter their email addresses to send them an invitation email. Once this is done, I can also study my course by clicking the study button on the top right of the screen. This invites me to start a new study session during which I will see my recently created flashcards. I can answer those by turning the card and answering. And at the end, I will have a summary showing me the number of questions, correct answers, and so on. I can either continue the study or go back to my course. In order to show you how to track your students, I will use another course which already has students' answers. I will go to the Statistics tab, where I can see a graph displaying for each student vertically and each question horizontally their score. I can thereby identify students which have difficulties or questions which poses difficulties. I also have a summary of all my questions and all my students and their activity.